It is very late at night, maybe even early in the morning. You can see actually the dawn is coming up over there. And on the one side of the sky, we have the beautiful stars. And on the other side, I hope that it'll come out here. But there is this really amazing, beautiful lightning storm going on way over there. I hope we get a little bit more because it's really cool. But lightning is, well, the sound and the lightning I think is called kaminari in Japanese. I think the lightning itself, the electricity part, is inazuma, like a lightning bolt. So kaminari and inazuma, very far away in the clouds. It was going pretty strong a few minutes ago, but maybe it's starting to die down, just as I say that. So, I just thought that was kind of cool. A nice little bit of nature here in the early morning. Hope you all have a nice day, morning, evening, wherever you're at.